As the sun beams down on the cheerful schoolyard, Tom and Lily, two inseparable best friends, gather under the sprawling branches of a large tree. They radiate excitement, chattering about the day that lies ahead. Tom, filled with anticipation, inquires about the time Lily heads off to school. Their eyes light up as they both reveal their shared love for arriving early, ready to embrace the adventure that awaits them within those familiar walls. Curiosity peaks as they delve into their favorite subjects. Tom lights up when he mentions his fondness for math, describing it as a thrilling puzzle waiting to be solved. Meanwhile, Lily, with a dreamy smile, shares her passion for English, where she finds joy in diving into magical stories that transport her to far-off places. Lily's enthusiasm continues as she expresses her admiration for her teacher, a kind and funny presence who makes learning a delightful experience. As the bell rings, laughter fills the air, and Tom and Lily share a moment of pure joy. School is a canvas of laughter and learning, and together they sprint towards their classroom, ready to explore new wonders side by side.